Posing for the shot. Look at you two. All right, there you go. Of course, y'all didn't dry the car off at all, but you sure did that. What do you think of the outpouring of support? All the folks coming up here, all the kids donating their time. What do you think of that today?
It's a real happy feeling just to see all the families come together and support all the girls that still need help. That's why we're here. You know, we had such an overwhelming amount of people that came out to help us with Sam's funeral expenses and food and hugs and their kind words and everything else. And so there was no way they were going to get us to stay home today.
And you're not just out here to support. You're out here. You're out here drying off the cars and doing everything else. So that's
Yep.
Does it help? Does it help a little bit helping out with these things too?
It does. It really does. It helps being around people. At home, just when we're by ourselves, it's really hard. So we try to stay within, you know, her friends and just try to support them. That's good though.
I got pictures today. I'll tell. Alright. Alright, what time? Right now. Good?
How many cars do you guys think y'all have dried today?
About at least.
It's a lot, cause like I've been here since like 10 this morning, and I say about over 100 cars.
Yeah.
Great.
Over 100.
Yeah, we've been busting our butts out here. For a good cause though.
Yeah. What's the mood been in the school this week?
Man, down, real down, you know. We lost a great friend. You know, she knew everybody in the school. She meant a lot to all of us. It's been pretty bad, but you know, we've been trying to talk to some of us football players, trying to talk to everybody, keep your heads up, you know. God does everything for a reason, you know. It was her time to go, but we're gonna be pushing everybody, you know, that you just gotta forget about the past and try to look forward to the future. You know, but yeah, everything is trying to get back to normal. It's trying to, but yeah, we're gonna work on it.